Emma peeks through tall grass, spotting a cage of exotic birds. The birds squawk and flutter, trapped by rusty bars and fear. Determined, Emma creeps closer and uses a small tool to break the lock. The cage door creaks open, the birds hesitate, then burst out. A trafficker suddenly steps from shadows, shouting in anger. Emma ducks behind crates, quickly calling local wildlife authorities. Sirens wail in the distance. The trafficker is apprehended. Freed macaws circle overhead, filling the sky with color. Emma watches, relieved and proud as the birds fly free. She smiles as they disappear into treetops, safe at last.